Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make another Holi special dessert, and that is Eggless Mawa cake. This is a simple recipe with mawa in it and flavored with cardamom, saffron and topped with lots of nuts. So anyways, let's stop talking and start baking. So first of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and in a bowl sift your dry ingredients. So here goes all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour, baking powder and baking soda. Okay, so now just sift these together. And as usual, I am also going to mix it with my wire whisk. Okay, and now I'm going to add desiccated coconut into this and cardamom powder. Keep whisking. Just make sure that everything is properly mixed together. So here it goes. Now in another bowl I'm going to beat butter. So just beat it until it is a little bit light. And now into this I'm going to add both the sugars. So first goes the caster sugar. Keep beating. So once this is mixed, I'm going to add the brown sugar. Keep on mixing. Now you can also use only caster sugar or you can also use only brown sugar. Okay. So don't forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. This is really very important. And I think this tip is given by me in each and every one of my videos. So keep on beating. Beat this again. So now is the time to add curd into this. Keep beating along with adding the curd. You can also use sour cream or yogurt, whatever is available at your location, you can use that. Just keep on mixing it. Okay, so enough of the beating now, and let's add some more ingredients into this. So this is vanilla extract and this is saffron, and I'm going to mix these both just so that, because it said that saffron gives best results when it is dipped in some sort of liquid. So I'm adding vanilla essence into the saffron just to bring out that color out of it, and just give it a mix and add it into your butter mixture. Here it goes. And along with this I'm also going to add Osoro's Kesar Pista flavor into this. I really love Osoro flavors. I've already told you in my last video. So I ordered few samples and I'm really loving them. See, this is the one that I ordered from their website. So just beat this again for a while. Okay, so it's done now, and now is the time to fold in our dry ingredients into the butter sugar mixture. I'm going to do this in 2 parts, so just fold this. So I've added half of the flour first. Just fold this and now I'm going to add the remaining flour. Here it goes, along with the pistachios and almond slivers, and keeping some for the topping. Once you stop seeing the flour pockets, it means you have mixed the batter. And now is the time to add the star ingredient of this cake, and that is mawa. So now I'm going to add the crumbled mawa into this, and just give it a good mix. So I'm leaving a link on the screen for a quick mawa recipe, so you can check that out and make your own mawa at home. It's really very simple. The mawa I have used in this cake is homemade, and believe me, you will never buy any mawa from outside once you are, once you try this recipe. So it's all mixed now. Okay, so now I am going to shift this batter in the cake tin. Here I have greased 6-inch round cake tin, and I'm going to place a sheet of butter paper at the bottom of this tin, and going to pour the batter into it. Now you can also use 8-inch round pan, because I love the cake to be taller kind of, so that is why I'm using 6-inch round. Otherwise you can use 8-inch round also. It really gives good results in that also. So shifting my batter in the cake tin. Now this is a thick batter, so don't worry, and don't try to make it thin also. So just level it up with an offset spatula. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to sprinkle some more nuts on top. So here are the pistachios, and the almonds. This cake looks so beautiful, like it's looking beautiful even now, but once it's ready, I really love the flavor it gives, the taste it has. So that's it. And now, because it's Holi and we have to give some kind of festive look to our cake, so I'm going to sprinkle my favorite dried rose petals on top of it. So I also prepare my rose petals at home. I don't use store-bought rose petals. I buy fresh flowers, then wash them thoroughly, dry them, put them in a glass jar and store them in my fridge. So whenever I need them, I take out the jar and use them. So that's it. So cake is ready to go into the oven, and I'm going to bake this for about 55 to 60 minutes, or until the skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay, so this is our cake after 60 minutes, and see how beautiful it's looking. Now let it just cool in the tin itself for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and demold it. So after 15 to 20 minutes, I have demolded the cake and see how beautiful it looks. Now this is a perfect cake to accompany with your cup of tea. And this cake is going to be a moist, dense, decadent and delicious cake with Indian touch. It may look very ordinary to you, but it is one of the best cakes you will ever have. And you don't need any kind of frosting over it, and it can be eaten as it is with your cup of tea or coffee, and even as a breakfast or dessert after your lunch or dinner. So let me just show you how it looks like from inside. Let me just cut a slice of it. See, this is a very dense and decadent cake. So I have a personal request, please do try this cake once, and I know you are going to love it and you will be making it again and again. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you make this cake, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram handle Deepali Ohri. So until we meet again, take good care of yourself and your family, and happy Holi!